Hi everyone, my name is Vichal and I am a student from UniKL MIIT. I am completing my Bachelor of Computer Engineering Technology, Networking System with Honor. And today I would like to demonstrate or present about my final year project, which is detecting and responding to LAN security attack using Wazuh. So before I'm jumping into the live attack demonstrate, I want to explain about my project environment and also the tools I use. So to test this system safely, I built my own local area network, which is LAN, entirely inside the VirtualBox or virtual machine. Then isolate the network features, a Kali Linux attacker machine, and Ubuntu victim PC, a center management server, and the last one is a gateway router. To complete my final year project, I'm using three open source, which is the first one is a pfSense, the second one is Suricata, and the last one is Wazuh. So the pfSense is my network gateway router. It's managed the IP address for my VM. And next is Suricata. Suricata is a NIDS or NIDS for my project, which is Network Intrusion Detection and Prevention System. It runs inside the pfSense to sniff network packet directly off the wire. Uh, and is specifically responsible for identify the network layer anomalies like ARP spoofing and also DNS spoofing. And the last one is Wazuh. Wazuh act as a centralized as a SIEMs or security information and event management, and it acts as the system log up to the central Wazuh manager. And then when the internet attack happen, the Wazuh will trigger an alert. Okay. To show the project or demonstrate the project, I will explain more. For my project, a clear progression from an IDS and IPS that I mentioned before. The IDS phase or Intrusion Detection System is when the attacker launched a rapid SSH brute force to the victim PC. The Wazuh will read the local log and Suricata inspect the network packet, and then together they will successfully detect the threat and generate a security alert on the dashboard. And then next, to success more my project, I will upgrade it to IPS, which is Intrusion Prevention System. So to eliminate the menu delay, I configure a Wazuh active response. The exact millisecond Wazuh detect the brute force attack, and it's automatically send a command to the victim local firewall. And I'm using the iptables. Then the local firewall is instantly inject a drop or block the IP address from attacker PC. Okay, so next I will open the VM and I will demo. Okay, now I am completely run the FSN firewall, FSN firewall, and then the Wazuh server. This one. And also my Kali Linux. And the last one is victim Ubuntu. Okay, let I just start to proceed the demonstrate of my final year project. So here, the FSN act like as a gateway, which is 192.168.1.1. Then jump to the Wazuh server, which is A. The IP is 192.168.1.107. Then here is my victim, 192.168.1.101. And the last one is my Kalilina or attacker, 192.168.1.50. So here you can see all is in the same network, which is 192.168.1. So let me show you. The first step is here I can ping the victim PC from attacker. So I can receive, and also I can SSH the victim PC from attacker because it running in the same network and directly connect. So here I will open the Wazuh dashboard and also pfSense dashboard. So this is my pfSense dashboard, and I have installed the Suricata inside the pfSense. Okay, this is my Suricata, and then this is my Wazuh dashboard, and also act like Wazuh agent. So here you can see anything the event inside this network or from victim PC and also Wazuh server. So let me run a brute force attack from attacker to see the detection and also the block, IP block. So I will use Hydra to attempt the SSH brute force from attacker to victim Ubuntu. So the brute force start. Let me show you inside the Wazuh dashboard. Okay, you can see the SSH brute force trying to get access to the system. So identification failed from dashboard display. Okay, here you also see the drop from Suricata. From source is from 192.168.1.50, which is our attacker, and then the destination is 192.168.1.11, which is my victim. So let me go back to the Wazuh server or Wazuh dashboard to see the hit or the event inside this. And here we show the 24 hits brute force from attacker. Okay. Let me kill the brute force or frost to stop. Okay, here let me try to ping again from attacker to victim. So here it will automatically cannot ping the victim PC or Ubuntu. Why? So let me check at Ubuntu. Okay, here I have the like I said before is a iptables command. So let me see the drop. So here you will see the drop that I mentioned before. It will automatically block the IP address from the internal or inside the LAN, which is the attacker 192.168.1.50. So the packet drop. The packet is a 89 packet, and then the target is drop from iptables. Let me try to SSH. So you will see the ping already failed, and also the SSH is not successfully even in the same local area network. So this is my project, and my objective that I said before. Is to detect or drop the IP address automatically inside the local area network without waiting for our admin to manually drop from the dashboard. Let me try ping again from attacker. Okay, here you can see the 100% packet loss. So it means my project is successfully run and block the IP address in the same LAN network that being themselves as a attacker to attack inside the LAN. And I will show you again. And here also I can refresh or undrop or delete the drop by using the sudo iptables -f input. So here let me check the drop again. So no IP drop. So we will reset for the attacker IP or attacker PC to ping again. Let me try. Here you can see the for receive and successfully ping without packet loss. And again, if I'm trying to run SSH successfully log in from attacker PC. Let me demo again about the brute force attack from attacker to victim PC. So here, and here you can see again the SSH identification failed, like I said before, because I already set the drop, and then we can run the brute force again. So it will same. If you run brute force, it will automatically block the IP. And here also from Suricata or pfSense, if the action is drop the local custom SSH brute force detect. Okay, to conclude my project, that already proved we don't need expensive software to protect a local network. Just by using open source tools, which is Wazuh, pfSense, and Suricata, we can build a powerful of security system. Then next is I successfully fixed the perimeter blind spot, and then I changed the traditional security from passive system that only watch attack into an active system that automatically stop threat in less than 1 second without waiting for human or admin to drop it manually. And then for the future of my project or this project, I think this system can be expanded to block malicious user directly at physical network switches. That's all for my project presentation and also demonstrate. Thank you.